Session 1, Prehistory, 11,000 to 7,000 years ago. Before history began, there was love. It was expressed in art in the form of small stone carvings, such as this one from the Ain Akri caves near modern Bethlehem, depicting two lovers in mid-coital embrace, resembling the shape of a human heart muscle, dating from 11,000 years ago. The human who carved this artifact lived in the Levant, or Fertile Crescent region, among a tribe of up to 100 people, who archaeologists call the Natufians. They settled the lands of the Kebaran cave dwellers, their ancestors, who had moved from the upland steppes in summer to the lower lakeside caves in winter, from 20,000 to 12,000 years ago. The Natufians invented the sickle for harvesting wild grains and were the first people to domesticate the growing of figs, which they imported from the area of Sudan in northeastern Africa, south of the Nile, across the Red Sea from the Sinai Peninsula. The records of civilization as we define it today can be dated only so long ago as the semi-sedentary dwelling place Aynan Mallaha by Lake Hula, founded around 12,000 years ago. Here has been found the earliest evidence of animal domestication, the burial of a person with a pet dog. 11,500 years ago, the Natufian tribespeople spread to the east and settled at Abu Hurayra Mound, near the south bank of the Euphrates River. Here about 300 people dwelt in round brush huts with holes in the floor for storing food to keep it cool. The Natufians soon expanded to the foothills of the Taurus Mountains, where they built square stone houses at Nevel Khori on both banks of the Kantara stream, a tributary of the Euphrates. Here they settled, and nearby at Gobekli Tepe, Turkish for Potbelly Hill, they erected the first megalithic structures. Although the purpose of these strange T-shaped stone pillars surrounded by circular stone walls remains a mystery to modern archaeologists due to the many carvings on their surfaces of animals, including the scorpion and birds seen here. It may be they were built as large storehouses for the cultivation of cereal grains such as rye, which have been found dating from around 11,050 years ago at Abu Hurayra Mound. 10,500 years ago, the Natufian people built the city of Jericho, 6 acres of round mud brick houses, housing some 2,000 to 3,000 people. 10,000 years ago, they built a wall 5 feet thick and 15 feet tall surrounding the city, with a lone lookout tower nearly 30 feet tall. Around that time, the settlement of Abu Hurayra seems to have been abandoned, with the Natufians of the foothills moving northwest behind the fortified wall of the Jericho proto-city, or to nearby Asikli Hayuk, founded around 10,000 years ago on volcanic turf near Melendez Brook. The first evidence of making beads for use as jewelry dates from this time at Asikli Mound, using azurite, amber, jade, and bone. 9,500 years ago, the Natufians built up Katel Hayuk, Turkish for fork mound, on twin alluvial clay mounds the eastern of which rises 66 feet above the Konya Plains wheat field, with the Karsamba River flowing between them from the twin-coned Hassan Dag volcano, some 87 miles to the northwest. 9,300 years ago, settlers moved back into Abu Harea, and by this time were herding animals and sun-baking molded mud to form the world's first pottery. 9,250 years ago, the Natufians constructed Ain Ghazal, a complex of up to 3,000 rectangular, two-room, lime-plastered mud wall houses stretching across 30 acres, some 4 or 5 times the size of contemporary Jericho. At Ain Ghazal, the people herded domesticated goats, wove hair fibers into fabrics, and cultivated a wide variety of cereals, including wheat and barley, and legumes, beans, peas, and lentils. The Natufians of Ain Ghazal were also the first to make face masks and one-half life-size dolls from painted white plaster, using cowrie shells for eyes. Some of the dolls have a limbless rectangular torso and 2 heads. At Ain Ghazal, the Natufians buried their dead in 2 ways. One was preservation of the deceased's severed head in a grave beneath their family house. The other was disposal of the body in the communal waste pits. From 8,100 to 7,500 years ago, the Natufians became the Halaf and Hassuna painted pottery cultures. Inventors of the wheel, pressed leaf paper, and the engraved cylinder seal. Katul Hayuk remained continuously populated until 7,700 years ago. Abu Harea and Ain Ghazal were abandoned 7,000 years ago. From 7,500 to 6,800 years ago, the Neolithic Halaf and Hassuna cultures became the Chalcolithic Samaran culture. They migrated southeast and settled in Choga Mami, Tel Sawan, and Sur Marati on the alluvial clay plain between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers near the northern shore of the Persian Gulf. They built massive canal systems to irrigate vast tracts of crops, and from 6,800 years ago had invented metal sickle blades, the horse-drawn chariot, and sailboats. By 5,400 years ago, the cuneiform alphabet had evolved into the use of clay tokens as money, and by 5,000 years ago, cities were built covering up to 250 acres to house as many as 20,000 people.